The Compile ADA overhead relies on these two small sliders, which will stop the overhead from sliding beyond a certain point on the panel. Measure the height of the overhead or determine desired location on the panel, and install the sliders below that area. Tighten the screws, but be sure not to over-tighten or damage them. Slide the overhead in and let it rest on top of the previously installed sliders. Check to see if all nuts are tight. Refer to the Boulevard or Evolve videos for door spring adjustment.